we are going to pick 2 discs from a box containing 4 red discs and 6 blue discs. There's 2 situations here. Firstly, we could pick a disc, note its colour, then put the disc back into the box, pick a second one, and note its colour. If we do this, then when we pick the first disc, the probability we pick a red first go is 4/10. Remember, 4 red discs out of 10 discs in the box. The probability of getting a blue disc on the first pick will be 6/10. We then put the discs back, so the box once again contains 4 red discs and 6 blue discs. So when we come to pick the second disc, the box is the same as it was at the beginning. The probability of getting a red disc on the second pick would be 4/10, and of getting a blue disc on the second pick would be 6/10. The 2 picks are independent. The result of the first pick will not affect the probabilities for the second pick because we put the disc back into the box. So the probabilities remain the same for the second pick. If probabilities are unaffected, then the events are independent. The second situation that could arise here is that we pick the first disc and note its colour, but we then do not replace the disc in the box. This changes the situation in the box for when we make the second pick. The probabilities are the same for the first pick. The probability of getting a red first time is 4/10, and the probability of getting a blue first time is 6/10. Now the situation changes. We don't put the disc back before we pick the second time. Let's suppose that on the first pick we pick a red, so this red is removed from the box. That gives us a situation of 3 reds and 6 blues, a total of 9 discs in the box. This is the point where we make our second pick. The probability of getting a red on the second pick, if we got a red on the first pick, is equal to 3/9, since there are 3 red discs out of the 9 in the box. This cancels down to 1/3. These events are not independent. The probability of getting a red disc has changed. These events are called dependent or conditional. The important thing to take from this is that when events are independent, the probabilities do not change.